Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the UI so typing won't hijack movement. Create a screen GUI with a text box and set it to not clear on focus. That makes retyping seamless. Once done, keep the text box small and anchored so it won't block joystick or key areas. Make sure to plan input handling. Movement must still be read by the game while the text box is focused. This is the first actionable setup step that lets you move on without wasting time on obvious app installs. Now implement separate input processing so typing and walking happen together. Use an input service that listens for WASD, arrow keys, and gamepad sticks even when the text box has focus. This keeps movement active. Once you capture those events, feed them into your character controller rather than depending only on default bindings that stop when typing. Also, filter character key presses. Don't treat every letter as movement. This avoids conflicts and preserves chat letters while letting you steer, turn, and sprint uninterrupted. Finish by polishing behavior and adding safeguards. Smooth analog inputs with dead zones and interpolation so small cursor movements don't jerk the character. Add a player toggle to opt in to typing while walking and save that preference. If things go wrong, first check whether the text box truly retains focus and whether your input listeners have higher priority than GUI capture. Reorder bindings or explicitly call release focus when appropriate. That single troubleshooting step fixes most cases where movement unexpectedly halts while typing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.